Bizana came to a standstill on Friday as residents rose up against the ongoing war on women and children. Dressed in black and purple, the community marched from the Roma Catholic Church, demanding urgent action. Their message was clear and powerful: declare GBVF a national disaster. This was Bizana's unified call for justice, and the fight is far from over.
Bizana to march and support and fight against gender-based violence and femicide in South Africa, and ndime no sister wami lapha ozosupporta women e-South Africa to fight against gender-based violence. So uzosixelela nge-purpose yosuku lanamhlanje uba yintoni ebamotivayileyo ukuba baqale le march yanamhlanje.
Molweni, igama ngu-Olwethu from A-Winnie's Embrace Foundation apha eBizana. The mandate yethu is to stand and advocate for abantu abatsha baseBizana against gender-based violence and sexual crimes. So we were inspired and motivated to join the national march, or this national observation of a moment of silence for those that we've lost to gender-based violence in South Africa, to call for action now, not tomorrow, not next year, not in the next policy or fiscal year. Namhlanje, we are here reminding abantu abatsha baseBizana that 1, you have rights, 2, you must be protected, and 3, fight for not to be killed due to gender-based violence.
Njengoba i-South African women kudala zisilwa zikhankala zifuna ukuviwa elizweni lonke nangurhulumente walapha eSouth Africa ukuba kunqandwe esi sehlo senzekileyo se-gender based violence. So phezolo uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa uye officially washo ukuba i-gender based violence and femicide sele i-regarded as i-national disaster. So niziva kanjani uba ekugcineni upresident wethu ude waziva izikhalazo zamanina alapha eSouth Africa?
It was as far back as 2019, I think it was on his first term, where gender-based violence was already declared as a crisis. Because even yesterday, when he made a declaration, he declared it as a crisis, a national crisis, not a national disaster, of which the language, that is very concerning to us to say, even so many years later, 2 terms in, you still don't see or understand the magnitude and the numbers at which, and the pace at which that women are being killed in this country, or which actually young people are also dying in this country without defense, without proper channels of reporting, and having cases actually be prosecuted. So we're still worried about the language. We still feel like it's lip service. We still feel like more needs to be taken, and we no longer need words. We need action that tell us your plan to halt gender-based violence.
Okay, if ngingabuza xa ucinga mhlambe what impact le march ezoba ocinga uba ingaba nayo okanye ngeyiphi message mhlambe endingayidlulisela kwi-South Africa endizama ukuyidlulisa?
Like I said, I like to be specific of the people that I fight for. I fight for umntana seBizana who doesn't know their rights yet. I fight for umntana seBizana who doesn't know the language or how to differentiate between sex crimes and rape. Because sometimes you find that cases go unheard because umntana guy understandanga what happened to them was a crime. You understand? So now I'm standing here today saying much needs to be said and much needs to be shared to the needer of information, which is umntana of rural Bizana.
Okay, khona into obuke wayisho ekuqaleni uba wonke umuntu eSouth Africa une-rights. Njengoba namhlanje seyile kuqale imarch lapha eBizana, but abantu khange bade baphume ngobuninzi lapho okanye mhlambe baseza okanye ungathini kubo?
I think Sisi njengoba nditshilo into yobana at the end of the day you need someone standing and fighting before you can realize that there's a battle, there's a war that we must fight. Like I'm insisting to you sometimes to say we get lost in the language that people use when it comes to sexual crimes and not recognize what is happening to us as a crime because of our estalabos. So we're coming at those maybe of us that receive the message, we're enlightened on the issue and the disaster that is happening against women in South Africa. So we're saying, as few as we are, that we've been enlightened, we are here to say, Jongani, ingxaki khona, right? And this is how we're standing with you, and this is how we're recognizing that something is wrong against what has happened to you. Whether we are Ibona or Oiboni, we're the few that stands with you. We're the few that recognize that there's a problem against you, and we're the few that will fight for you.